DuxxBak Dekk is an innovative solution engineered to effectively create dry space beneath your deck. This fast and one-step installation makes this process easy for anyone. DuxxBak Dekk must be installed on an open structure with proper airflow. Ensure the deck frame has sufficient pitch and is in plane. Apply Lexel sealant to the outer joists, then secure the first board by fastening through its top and fastening wing at each joist. For all subsequent boards, first, apply sealant in the drainage channel near the house. Second, add sealant to the outer joists. Third, interlock the board securely. Fourth, fasten with screws through the fastening wing at each joist. Now you can install the final board by fastening through the top of the board, same as the first. Apply a continuous bead of Lexel sealant along the deck surface nearest the house. Ensure the flashing makes contact with the deck and that it's tucked behind the house wrap for a watertight seal. Insert the end cap with the drain slots down and the arrow pointing up. Be sure to secure the end caps using an adhesive sealant. Repeat this process for each board. And that's it! With DuxxBak Dekk, your underdeck space stays dry and ready for outdoor living or storage. No extra steps needed. Check the install guide for complete details.